this time there's a few things I need.
So today we're gonna draw my sister and my dog.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is this fair enough for you?
Which way do we have to turn to here?
This way.
This way.
So today's going to be probably mostly cloudy.
Probably raining and
Do you know when you're home? I'll tell you if it was raining.
cloudy. We'll be
Or
mostly
sunny.
inside anyways. So we will see the windows a few times.
Isabel, you can't wait to be in Dublin.
What?
Yeah, I haven't went. It's my first time going to Dublin, guys.
I went to Dublin before.
To go to a match.
Yeah, Europe League.
Yeah.
You go and watch that video, May 22nd, 2024.
Or you could just say 2024.
Yeah, that's what
2024 is the same. I'm going to say 2004. And I was like, Tommy wasn't alive then. He's only.
Open on Sundays and all.
Oh,
Open on Sundays and all.
well, they have the appointments, so
Better be.
they're in yes, so.
Bella, are you going to take pictures?
I don't really know, but I will. I don't know. I probably will take a few pictures.
So make sure to video, Bab.
See you
Bye
later.
bye bye. Wait.
Bye,
Bye
honey.
bye bye.